How is it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech, and today let's talk about Apple Arcade, and more specifically I'm going to show you the best games that are available in the platform right now. I'm pretty sure you're familiar with Apple Arcade, but if you're not, Apple Arcade is a subscription in which you pay $5 every single month, and then you have access to a ton of games, dozens and dozens of games, and then of course they are free because you're paying that $5, so then you have unlimited access to those games. And the coolest thing is there are no in-app purchases or anything like that. They are full for you to enjoy. Okay, so let's begin. And as you can see here, I have 6 awesome games, and I'm gonna present them to you because those are, in my opinion, the best games available in Apple Arcade, and these will hopefully help you figure out if you should get Apple Arcade if you like those games, for example. Okay, so let's begin. And the first I'm going to show you is called Skate City. Keep in mind most of those games are actually landscape, but I'm gonna try and do my best here. So as you can imagine, the ideal here is just to play with your skateboard, just go ahead, run around, do some tricks and some flicks and things like that. Okay, there are a ton of different tricks you can do, like ollies, and you can of course slide on rails and things like that, on curbs and awesome things like that. And then there are really dozens of tricks. You can get really good at that, or really bad like I am, but I'm gonna try my best here to represent that to you. Keep in mind as well that while I'm playing, I'm gonna try to explain the whole thing. Keep in mind that you can also customize your character. Okay, so you can get your character to be your hairstyle, skin tone, of course the clothes, and then the skateboard itself. And of course you don't only have that, you also have challenges, like for example you have to perform a couple of, for example, tricks in a certain times, or like this first line spins and things like that. And it's super cool because you get money for that, and with that money, that's how you customize your character. Okay, so again, you can either like endless skate or have challenges. And then you can go back here, let me go back once again to the main menu, and then I have the option to also go ahead to the skate shop, where I can do all sorts of customizations and things like that. So that's pretty cool. And again, there are no in-app purchases, again, because it's available by Apple Arcade, so you don't need to pay for anything. You just need to get experience by playing the game. Now let's talk about Oceanhorn II, which in my opinion it's probably the best game in the platform right now. I just love it. Pay attention to the graphics. Gameplay is almost like console style. I really love how this game looks and sounds and everything like that. So again, you walk with your left thumb, you change your view with your right thumb, which we are pretty familiar with that gameplay by now. And then of course we can attack and we can defend as well. So then of course we can go ahead and battle these bad boys right here. If I can, let's see what they got. And as you guys can see, they're much better than me. And then of course you can do it all the time. You have to wait for a little bit of stamina to get a little bit of stamina in order to protect yourself. So then that's what I'm doing right now. And then always blocking and doing things like that. What I love about this game also is that you have this open environment gameplay. So then it is not like close battles. As you can see, it's an open environment like Zelda style, and I really like that because you're free to play, and then the character jumps and things like that. It's truly amazing. I really love that game. And of course you can like jump around, play with boxes, there are puzzles. It's so complete. It is so super complete. I just really love that game. You can shoot as well, like that. And then of course you have a limited amount of ammo, of course. And then if I can just cancel here because I don't want to die. Yes, so then that's how you do it. And then of course you have your health, a lot of items, a lot of options, and it is a super complete game. I just love that. As I said, pay attention to the graphics and the refinement in all Apple Arcade games, because I think they're very cool and much more refined than normal iOS games. Okay, so let's go to game number 3, which is Sociable Soccer. And then again, you're gonna get a very, very nice experience. It's not gonna be great graphics. It's not gonna be like FIFA style, like Pro Evolution Soccer style, no. But you're gonna have some fun playing this game. I'm pretty sure you're gonna like it. So it's just your normal soccer game. Of course, I get a lot of screens. I just wanna play. So I'm ready to go. And as you guys can see, I have a couple options here. So I can like pass, kick, chip, and of course move around with the other thumb. And then I can go ahead and try and do something here. Let me see if I can like not embarrass myself. So let me see what I can do here. Yeah, oh, come on. That was so close. Okay, let me see if I can try again. Yeah, you got the idea. I'm gonna keep playing a little bit just so you guys can see the gameplay. It's very, very fast. The rhythm is so fast, it's so intense, and the ball moves around so fast, you really can't allow yourself to make mistakes, because otherwise the opponent would just like really quickly go ahead and score. So you got to be very good. Of course, you can like defend. You defend pretty much by walking towards the attacker. Okay, so that's not very difficult. And then you attack pretty much by passing the ball around, just like a normal soccer game. And then of course at the end you have to kick. Right, of course. Come on. Yes. This is a practice match with the weakest game in the game. Yeah, I finally did it. Okay, yeah, I'm satisfied now. Okay, so let's keep going. Now we have Super Impossible Run. An awesome, very nice game. This time, this is more like really an arcade game, super arcade. You just gotta run a ball through a route, like a path, the fastest way possible. So let me show you right now how you do that. As you guys can see, all those games open pretty fast. They're not so difficult, so heavy. They actually open pretty fast. So I like that, because it's not like you're gonna waste a ton of time just on loading screens and things like that. Also keep in mind that I'm using an iPhone 11 Pro Max, so that you gotta take that into account as well, okay, depending on your device. But let's keep going. So as you guys can see, the goal here is just to keep on track and of course hit all those checkpoints. And then while you do that, you also have a possibility to add some boost, but I can't do it right now because I'm too focused, and I think the boost would actually just ruin my game. Oh, that was unbelievable. Okay, oh, come on. Yeah, it was too good to be true, really. So as you guys can see, that's the goal again. I just restarted because I just lost that one. So as you guys can see, just go ahead and run through the courses, and of course you have different objectives depending on the course you are. Sometimes it's time. Sometimes you gotta hit all those checkpoint bars. It depends, but the idea here is just to have some fun and get like on the edge of your seat, because you're always constantly afraid of falling down. But it's really, really fun, really cool. I really recommend that game too. And now let's talk about Pacman. That's right, we're gonna play some Pacman. If you're a little bit older, you remember Pacman. If not, you're gonna know what Pacman is right now. You probably know Pacman, right? It's pop culture. So all you have to do, I'm the yellow ball, and all I have to do is get as many little balls as I can, but the main goal here is to get that colorful ball right here, because then I'll transform into a Pac-Man eater. Okay, so I have to get that before everyone else, and it runs away from you. It's super fun. It actually runs away, but yeah, somebody else is gonna get it. Yeah, wait a second. Okay, come on. See, it runs away from you. It's super smart. We're gonna do this the whole day. As you saw, the other guy got it, so then now he can eat us. And then the last one standing, which is gonna be him, if he eats everybody, wins. So then all I have to do again is make sure that I get that little ball, which is right here this time. Come on, yes. So now I can eat everybody else. And then I'm so bad. I got the opportunity and I lost it. Okay, you got the idea. And then I just have to get it. Honestly, it's not like this game is so amazing. It's just because it brings back so many awesome memories that I had to share with you guys. Okay, let's keep going. And now, last but not least, let's talk about Speed Demons, which is, I don't know, like, it's a bold name. And I wouldn't call it Speed Demons. It's just cars on a freeway, but who am I? Okay, all you have to do is hit play, and then you have some stages and some objectives. I'm gonna get the first one, which is just an example here, right? And then let 3, 2, 1, and all I have to do is get there in first. It's a whole chaos. I'm this guy right here. It's just a chaos, and then I have to tap on the sides of the screen. I'm doing the opposite as I have to do, because all I have to do is actually race all the other red cars and get in front of them. It's just a normal race, and then of course, as you see right there, 17th, 18th place out of 24. I need to get there in first. So that's what I'm gonna do right here. That's what I'm gonna try to attempt. And as you can see, I probably won't be able to do that because I'm super bad. And then if I get an opening right here, just keep watching. Come on, come on, come on. I'm so close. I'm in first. Not anymore. Again. Okay, 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 okay. Yes. No, that was just a checkpoint. Ah, come on. You gotta be kidding me. Okay. Okay, I'm almost there. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes, I got it. I did it in first place. Okay, so yeah. So those are my best and favorite games of Apple Arcade. As you guys can see, we have quite a different type of genres here. So very arcade games like this one and this one and this one, and then we have some more refined games like the Skate one and especially Oceanhorn II, and then some more difficult games with like different aspects like this soccer one. But what I'm trying to say here is, if you should get Apple Arcade, honestly, yes. First of all, because you get a 30-day free trial, so then why not? So then it's free, so why not do something that is awesome and it is free? There's no reason why not to. So get Apple Arcade, it is free, try it out, play as many games as you can, and then you can decide. And honestly, if you are a game head, if you like that, if you really always have a lot of games on your iPhone, then there's no reason why not to get Apple Arcade, because it's $5 and then you're gonna get dozens and dozens of games. Apple says over 100 games very soon, so there's really no reason not to get Apple Arcade. I really recommend. So that's pretty much it, and I'll see you guys in a couple days. Bye bye.